Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ES File Explorer on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to hop over to this icon where I can find my apps and games. Going to the bottom, I find the ES File Explorer right there. Clicking on it once opens the app. So the first thing I need to do is provide permissions. So if I agree, I have access to allow permissions. So just clicking on allow gives the permissions. When I'm asked about the ES Premium, I just click on the X sign at the top right, and there I have the app. So the app is open. Different sections like the settings, I can control display settings, cleanup settings, the directory, which is the filing system settings, the search list settings, password settings, and backup settings. I could also look at the download manager under tool settings, and most importantly, the recycle bin. So here, enable recycle bin function. If I turn this off, everything that is deleted will be deleted and nothing will be sent to recycle bin when deleted in the ES File Explorer. So I'll leave that on, and I'm going to show you the layout. So on this right or rather left bar, you have the main categories like local. That shows you home, device, download, internal storage. So these are the components, directories, the main directories for which you can have access to everything on this Firestick device. So if I go to internal storage, for instance, you have all of the main folders and subfolders, pictures, podcasts, ringtones, and the rest. The next category is library. On the library, you have specifics now like images, music. So they have been pulled out from all directories and you have them in one place. So that's a movie, documents, applications, and so on and so forth. I think that I just need to be things in apps. So this again, the libraries. Now network, this is concerning streaming online using a network stream, cloud drive, LAN, stuff saved on a network, stuff saved through Bluetooth that you can view on a PC, but it's not on the local disk of the Firestick, something online. And the recycle bin function is also here. You could click it on and off, and that's it. So you use this bar to navigate everything, and you find everything displayed to the right. So that's how to use the app. If you find that useful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.